The spinner on a Wheel of Fortune can land with an equal chance on any one of 10 regions. 3 regions are red, 4 are blue, 2 are yellow, and 1 is green. A player wins $4 if the spinner stops on red, and $2 if it stops on green. The player loses $2 if it stops on blue, and $3 if it stops on yellow. What is the game's expected value, and is the game profitable for the player in the long run? Now, there's no charge to play this game, so we don't need to worry about that. If it lands on red, we get $4, and the probability of that happening is 3 out of 10. If it lands on green, we get $2, and we have a 1 out of 10 chance of it landing on green. If it lands on blue, we lose $2, so this is a negative $2, and the probability of it landing on blue is 4 over 10. And then if it lands on yellow, we lose $3. And the probability of it landing on yellow is 2 over 10. So if you type this into the calculator, you should get $0. So the player breaks even in the long run.